Hey friends, Greg with the Pennywise guys. We built another solar structure that's being dual purpose, used as a patio for this home. Let me show you the details. Let's get started. I just wanted to show you this really cute structure that we did for this customer. It's 22 panels, a 7.5 kW system. It's doing real well for them for solar production, but it's also being used as a patio. Let me show you some details. I'm not going to give you a lot of detail since it's so dark in here, but you've seen the other videos, you've seen how our shared rail system works. This is the same thing, it's shared rail system with our purlins in the middle, sharing the both ends of the panels, and everything is sealed. And it's a really nice structure. We're getting prepared to go ahead and put the washing system in a couple weeks, and then we're going to go ahead and pour them some concrete to make this a really nice patio for them. And they're going to be real excited about that. So we're going to get that concrete work done, and I might show you a video of that work as well. All right, and I'll also show you the washing system as we install it. But take a look at other videos. You can get an idea how we put these together. But I've got 3 more structures coming up in the next few months. I'm going to go ahead and do videos, step-by-step process, showing you exactly how to build these. But this is just a concept video, kind of give you an idea of what you can do. See, we tucked it up over the roof line there, and it gives them good rain protection. The panels are sealed, and it came out really nice. And when that concrete work's all done, it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. All right, so I hope this can inspire you to think about possibly using the solar structure as a patio for your home. All right, you guys have a blessed day. I sure hope you enjoyed this video and it was a help to you. Please like, subscribe, and share. Also hit that notification bell to be notified of weekly videos. I pray that you are blessed and that you know Him who is the author of life.